TruSkin BHA Liquid Exfoliant and Toner, PHA AHA BHA Gentle Exfoliator with Salicylic and Glycolic Acid, Vitamin C, improve appearance of tone and texture, unclog and minimize look of pores, 4.2 fluid ounces. Gentle, nourishing exfoliant, PHA AHA BHA Skin Toner gently exfoliates and buffs away dead skin cells, targets bumps and blackheads. Unclogs and shrinks the look of pores while leaving skin looking brighter, softer and healthier, made with sensitive skin in mind. Triple acid plus more, infused with a unique acid blend of AHA, BHA, and PHA to provide gentle exfoliation with less irritation. Vitamin C and turmeric to reveal a brighter looking complexion, reishi mushroom to moisturize, soothe, and nourish. Refresh and renew, this lightweight, fragrance-free exfoliating toner leaves skin feeling refreshed and clean. After cleansing, apply to face and neck, avoiding eye area. Do not rinse, apply SPF daily, always patch test facial skincare products 24 hours before use, external use only. The TruSkin difference: if for any reason you decide this gentle exfoliant isn't a fit for your skin, we're here for you. Each purposefully balanced medley of key antioxidants, supernutrients and nourishing botanical actives enhances efficacy and delivers skin-friendly benefits, without unnecessary additives or added fragrances. The expiration date is printed on the barcode sticker attached to the packaging. Cruelty-free and made in the USA with globally sourced components, TruSkin is Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free, and all our products are manufactured and bottled in the USA with globally sourced components for exceptional freshness. Dermatologist and clinically tested. Don't forget to share the love and subscribe my channel.